In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a board private on Miro. Miro is an incredibly versatile digital tool that many people use for collaborative work, whether in a professional or personal setting. However, sometimes you want to keep your boards private, perhaps while you're still working on something, or when the content is sensitive. So let's delve into how you can take control of your board's privacy settings with ease. First, you'll want to navigate to Miro's homepage. Open your preferred web browser and enter miro.com into the address bar. It's always a good idea to bookmark this page for easy access in the future, especially if you plan to use Miro regularly. When you land on the homepage, look for the login button. It's usually prominently positioned, and once you've found it, give it a click. After clicking login, you'll see options to sign in either with your email or your Google account. Choose whichever method you typically use to access Miro. If you're using an email, you might be prompted to enter your password, so have that ready. And if you have stored passwords, this process should be even faster. Once you've logged in, you should find yourself on your main dashboard where all your boards are listed. Next, locate the board you want to make private. This step is straightforward if you have only a few boards, but for a larger collection, make use of any organizational features you've set up, or consider naming your boards clearly so they're easier to find. When you've located your board, look for the three dots next to it. These three dots are your gateway to a variety of administrative options, and they might be a bit small, so keep an eye out for them. Click these dots. From the list of options that appears, click on Make Board Private. Now, if you don't have a Miro subscription, this step might look a little different for you. Instead, you'll click on Share. In the panel that pops up, look for a drop-down menu that says Can Edit. Click on this and select No Access from the options provided. By completing this, you've successfully adjusted your board's privacy settings to ensure that it remains personal to you unless you decide to share it later. If you decide to change these settings at any point, the process is just as simple but reversed. And there you have it, the steps to keep your board away from prying eyes on Miro are completed. Remember that keeping certain content private can be crucial for maintaining confidentiality and personal peace of mind. I hope this guide clarifies the process for you and makes managing your Miro boards that much easier. Thanks for tuning in, and see you in the next video.